What if you could start an online store without buying hundreds of dollars of inventory first? In this video, I'll show you how beginners can test dropshipping with almost no upfront investment. But first, understand this. $0 dropshipping doesn't mean every part of business stays completely free. We'll cover products, suppliers, your store, free marketing, orders, profit, and the mistakes beginners need to avoid. Traditional e-commerce usually requires you to purchase inventory before customers buy it. Storing products, managing inventory, and handling fulfillment yourself. Dropshipping changes that model. Because you don't necessarily keep the products in your own home or warehouse. Dropshipping changes that model. Because you don't necessarily keep the products in your own home or warehouse. Here is how dropshipping works. Instead of shipping that product yourself, the order is sent to your supplier. The supplier prepares the product and ships it directly toward your customer. Your business sits between the customer and supplier, creating the marketing and shopping experience. Your potential profit comes from the difference between what the customer pays and your total business costs. The biggest advantage for beginners is that you may not need to purchase inventory before making your first sale. But there can still be costs for domains, payment processing, samples, software, taxes, or advertising. So don't believe anyone promising guaranteed profits from a completely free dropshipping business. The smarter goal is minimizing your upfront risk while testing whether people actually want your product. Your first real challenge is finding a product. People have a reason to buy. People have a reason to buy. Start with products that solve an obvious problem, rather than simply looking cool. Solve frustration, improve convenience, or create a noticeable result. Products that are visually interesting can also be easier to market through short-form video. Look for products that already receive attention across social platforms and online communities. Pay attention to comments, because they can reveal what potential customers actually want. And online communities. Avoid products that are extremely fragile, difficult to explain, or dominated by established brands. Compare several products instead of immediately falling in love with the first viral item you find. Before building your entire store, validate whether there is genuine interest in your product. Search for similar products and study how people react to demonstrations and reviews. Are viewers asking where to buy it? Are they asking questions? Those signals can be valuable. Next, study competing stores. And ask yourself what you could do better. Maybe your advantage could be better content, clearer information, stronger branding, or a better customer experience. Remember, you're not trying to guarantee demand, you're trying to collect evidence before spending money. Once you have a product idea, the next step is finding a reliable supplier. Don't choose a supplier just because they offer the lowest price. Check shipping times carefully. Look at product reviews, supplier ratings, fulfillment history, and customer feedback. Check shipping times carefully. Slow delivery can quickly create unhappy customers. Please create unhappy customers. Plan ahead. Whenever possible, order a sample before heavily promoting the product. It makes a difference. Your customer doesn't care about your supplier. They care about receiving a quality product on time. Now let's build the storefront. Your first store doesn't need dozens of products. Plain store discounting 16 exposures. In fact, a focused store can make your offer much easier for customers to understand. Much easier for customers to understand. Start with a clear product title, strong images, simple benefits, pricing, and important product information. Never hide important shipping information just to make your product look more attractive. Add frequently asked questions so customers can quickly understand shipping, returns, and how the product works. Let's say someone discovers your store and decides to purchase your product. This is product. And decides to purchase your product. The supplier prepares the product and ships it toward the customer. The supplier toward the customer. The customer pays your store, and the order is then processed for fulfillment. The process for fulfillment. Once delivered, your job isn't finished. Customer support and satisfaction. Customer support and satisfaction still matter. 36. If the product and shipping cost you $12, that leaves $18 before other expenses. Here's a simple example. Imagine your customer pays $30 for a product. The $3 pays for a product. But that's not automatically $18 of profit. Processing fees, refunds, taxes, software, and other costs can reduce it. Always calculate your real numbers before deciding whether a product is worth selling. Dropshipping isn't guaranteed easy money. It's a business model you can test, learn from, and improve. Start small and focus on solving real customer problems. Subscribe for the next step.